Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the another method of clustering, that is a nothing but a hierarchical method, guys. Okay, so I hope everyone knows how the hierarchical method will work, right? So it will be in the tree structure, one will give to another, one will give to another. In that way, hierarchically it moves, right? The results. Okay, so a method works via grouping data into trees. So here you can say grouping or breaking also. So basically it might group into data or it might break a huge data set into small data. Both will be there, okay, of the cluster. Hierarchical cluster begins by treating the data point as a separate cluster. Okay, so here we will be starting with a single cluster and making it into multiple clusters, or we'll be starting with multiple clusters and making it into a big single cluster. Why I am saying in two ways is nothing but because here we are having two different types, guys. Okay, yes, please concentrate for a while. They repeatedly execute two steps, guys. That is nothing but identify the two clusters which are close together and combine them. At the end we'll be reaching to maximum of 2 or 3 clusters. That's it, right? Yes. Okay, so here they are of two types, guys. The first type is nothing but agglomerative and other one is nothing but divisive. Okay, so the first type is nothing but it is a bottom up approach, guys. So from the names only you can say. So first let us go through the example. So by observing the example you will be saying that, so what is the difference here? Your question will be right that, yes, first of all, yes. So the only thing is how you are going to solve this is the question, guys. So solving from bottom to top is a nothing but the first method, and top to bottom is the second method, guys. Okay, yes, bottom to top, top to bottom. Okay, so each cluster starts with only one object. So basically one will become to many. Okay, so starting with all objects in one cluster. So basically here it is from multiple we are converting it into one, whereas here from one we are dividing into multiple. Okay, similarly clusters are merged into large and large until all the objects are in a single cluster or certain termination condition is satisfied. So basically you will start combining them until they become one object or there is any kind of termination condition. So it is nothing but bottom up approach. Similarly here you start with, okay, clusters are subdivided into smaller and smaller clusters until each object forms its own cluster. Okay, so it should form its own cluster or there is any kind of termination condition. So from top to bottom it will be moving. Okay, so these are the two types of hierarchical clusters, guys. So I hope everyone got a clear idea about this hierarchical clusters and their types. So in the next lecture we will be discussing about the grid based method, guys. So that is one more method in clustering. Okay, yes, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching.